So today I'm going to show you the two-phase process for importing a page template using OptimizePress. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have the link for your template. Now, once you have it, you're going to copy and paste it into your browser window. And press enter, which will take you to the template landing page. Now, the next piece that is required is that you log into your OptimizePress account. If you don't already have OptimizePress, you can purchase it on this landing page as well. So I'm going to click log in, and my template has been received successfully. So this completes phase one. Now, this tells me that your template has been added to your personal templates cloud. Now you want to actually set up the page on your website. So then I'm going to log into my OptimizePress WordPress site. Now in this one this is my template site for OptimizePress. So there's going to be a duplicate of this template. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click create new page inside OptimizePress, and then I'm going to choose my templates. And I'm going to scroll down to the bottom because that's usually where it is. And this is my lovely opt-in page template that we just added. So I'm going to click use this template, and it's going to prompt me to create a new page. So I'm going to say OP landing demo. And it's going to create a page. You can choose to create a page or a post. I'm choosing a page. Then we're going to click create page. This will create the page in the WordPress system, and then it will also take you into the OptimizePress builder. This can take a minute or two. And now it's loading the builder. And as you can see, it's imported it exactly the way I want it, and now I have the option here to start editing all of the content. Now follow the prompts, or in this case there are prompts for this because I built this template. Otherwise you can start customizing things, changing your colors, changing your fonts, changing your copy, adding your own images, removing or adding anything that's missing, and you have successfully created your